Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're well. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a cooking video. We're going to be doing a balsamic chicken with vegetables crockpot dinner. So for this recipe, you are going to need potatoes. It could be any choice potato that you like. Balsamic vinegar. Please don't mind the packaging. My daughter ripped it off. Of course, chicken, carrots. You can use fresh carrots or you can use canned sliced carrots. Onions, celery, and salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. And then of course you need your crock pot. To keep things sanitary, I'm of course going to start with my vegetables first. So normally, the last time that I made this, I only used about 2 or 3 potatoes because I have a pretty small crock pot. I peeled them, diced them, then I used onion, and I used 1 whole onion, and I didn't chop it small. I kind of left bigger chunks of onion, and I'll show you in a minute what I mean. I didn't use celery the last time, but I want to use celery this time because I really love how celery tastes when it comes to like stews or any kind of dinner. It's really yummy. I really like these. I used this in my last video when I made my pork stew. I love the sliced carrots in the can. You can, of course, I have used carrots, whole carrots, chop them up. These are just convenient. They're in a can, they're ready to go. So I chopped up my veggies, and how I have my onions, I just chopped them up bigger slices. So I have them like this, and I just kind of place it right in the crock pot just like that. Just break them apart and place them in there. Totally optional, but not necessary. I like to wear gloves. I like to be sanitary. I'm only going to be using 2 chicken breasts. What I like to do, since I'm only using 2, I like to trim off the excess fat that is on here, and I will fillet them in half. I'm gonna fillet the chicken, so I'm gonna place my hand on top and very carefully and very slowly fillet the chicken. I like to use salt and pepper, so I just use it to taste. I don't have like an actual measurement. I don't do like a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. I kind of just do salt and pepper to taste, and I just sprinkle that on and do that to both sides. Comes to the salt, I'm not gonna do too much just because of the balsamic vinaigrette that we're using. Oh my gosh, that pepper gets to me every time. Yay! Okay. Woo! Here we go. So I'm not gonna do too much salt, like I said. Just a little bit, just to taste because of the balsamic vinegar. A little bit of Italian seasoning as well. It's a half a teaspoon, and I will just scoop some in there. And just sprinkle a little bit on the chicken. This is my veggies. They're all nice and cut up, so I like to put those in first. Kind of just spread them around as much as you can. And if you have any like big chunks like this of the onion, I kind of just split them up. And then in go the carrots. And although my crock pot is pretty small, when it cooks, it'll shrink. So I'm not too worried about it. We're gonna put on the handy dandy glove. In goes the chicken. And don't worry about there not being enough space. Everything will fit perfectly fine, just like that. This is where the balsamic vinaigrette comes in. I'm gonna give it a good shake. You only need half a cup. And we're gonna pour this over the chicken and all of the veggies. once everything starts cooking and the juices start flowing, there's gonna be a lot of juice in there. Don't get rid of it though, because the juice is like the best part, it's the flavor. You can either put it on low for 6 to 8 hours, or you can put it on high for about 4 to 5. I put mine on high. It's 1 o'clock right now, so by the time that it's done, it should be about 5, 6 o'clock, which is perfect because by the time that I get back home from picking up my daughter and my husband, it'll be about 5:30. I'm going to see if he will come on here to taste test. My husband is the guinea pig and anything that I make, I give to him to taste test. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna see if he'll come on here because my husband has not been on my channel like that before, so it'll be the very first time. So I'm gonna see if he will, and I really hope, fingers crossed, that he will. I will see you in about 4 to 5 hours. Now it is exactly 5:27. Let's get back to the house. So this has been cooking for 4 hours now, about 4.5. And as soon as we open the front door, it smells so good in here. I have a turkey baster, so I'm using the next best thing that I have, which is this. I'm gonna bring you a little closer just so you can really see. And can you hear that? Look at that. This chicken is literally just, look at that. Okay, I'll try the potato separate by itself. But I have the chicken, I have a carrot and a piece of celery here, so we'll try it. It's not dry. It is so juicy. The potatoes, perfect. Really good? That one can be yours. I know you're hungry. I said that one could be yours. How's mommy's chicken? That is it. It is super easy and so delicious, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below so you can be part of my family, my channel here. I really would truly appreciate it, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything, but I feel like I am. I don't know. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. Yes. I'm gonna be doing something I don't think I've done on my channel yet. Actually, yes I have. Thinking about it now. So scratch that. Chicken. So I'm just gonna place my hand on top. Let me do that again because it slipped and that was scary. Alright, take 3. Go away, Fuzzy. Crockpot dinner that you can do easily at home when you're not home. Get it together, John. I need to start over.